Hello viewers, I am Ram Kamal with you. Today we will talk about the lesson named as Torch Bearer. As the words say that somebody holds the torch and the story is related to him. Actually, this lesson has been written by W.M. Rayburn, 1753 to 1830, and he has referred to Indian stories. First is about a businessman, and second is about the Guru Nanak. In the first story, he has said that a businessman has two sons. He becomes old and wants to transfer his property to the cleverer son. He calls both of his sons and gives rupees to both of his sons and tells uh, tells his sons to bring such a item which can fill one room. Uh, both sons started uh, thinking what to do. One son goes to market, and up to evening he was unable to decide what to buy. At the last, he sees one man carrying hay on bullock cart and purchased that. And after bringing that, he puts in that room, but he finds that it was on the floor only. Another son, when he finds the money, 1 rupee, he goes to isolate place and sits down and starts thinking what to do, and what to do. Lastly, he uses his intelligence and bring candles from the market. In the evening, both uh, both show their purchased items, and the businessman appreciate the son who brings candle. Uh, this was the one story. In second story, Guru Nanak, he was the uh, man who understood the philosophy of life as to we should become good for better society. So he goes to one village with his disciple, and there his name is Mardana. There he finds that villagers, they don't greet properly. He sleeps out of village, and while going from that village, he says that these people must stay here only. After that, both go to another village. Uh, uh, they are being greeted properly. People cared both of them, and while going, he says that such people should go all over, and like that. His follower Mardana, he asks his guru, why did he say like this? Good people to go out and bad people to remain there. Guru Nanak he clarified that if these people who are bad they go, they will spread bad qualities among the society. If good people go, they will spread uh, good things in society. अब इसको हिंदी में समझते हैं. एक व्यापारी के दो लड़के रहते हैं. वह अपना संपत्ति सबसे चालाक लड़के को देना चाहता है. वह दोनों को बुलाता है और एक एक रुपया देता है और दोनों को कहता है कि ऐसा. दोनों बाज़ार में जाते हैं. एक लड़का घास लेके आता है और दूसरा मोमबत्ती ले आता है. तो बिजनेसमैन जो है मोमबत्ती वाले लड़के पसंद होता है, अपनी संपत्ति उसे देता है. वह समझता है कि वह जो है इंटेलिजेंट है. दूसरी कहानी गुरु नानक जी के बारे में है, जो ऐसे गांव में जाते हैं जहां पर वहाँ के लोग उनका सत्कार नहीं करते हैं. इस पर उनकी प्रतिक्रिया होती है कि ऐसे लोगों को यहीं रहना चाहिए, दूसरी जगह नहीं जाना चाहिए. जब वह अच्छे लोगों के गांव में जाते हैं, वहाँ पर बहुत सत्कार होता है. वहाँ पर उनकी प्रतिक्रिया होती है कि ऐसे लोग पूरे संसार में फैल जाना चाहिए. इस पर उनके शिष्य मर्दाना पूछते हैं कि आपने ऐसा क्यों कहा. तो स्पष्टीकरण देते हैं कि हम चाहते हैं अच्छे लोग सब जगह जाएं और अच्छाई फैलाएं. इन सब कहानियों के माध्यम से लेखक ने यह कहने का प्रयास किया कि अच्छे लोग अच्छाइयों को दूसरे तक पहुंचाएं और दूसरे जो है दूसरे पर इस तरह अच्छा समाज बन सके. और इस प्रकार की बातें बताते वह ओलंपिक का उदाहरण, मसाल का उदाहरण. इसी आधार पर स्टेशन का नाम टॉर्च बियरर रखा गया. थैंक यू फॉर बीइंग विथ मी. थैंक यू वेरी मच.